Hi, I'm Chris, the Flood Insurance Guru. In today's video, we're talking about the difference between storm surge and flood damage, what you need to know as a property owner. So let's get started. Today, we're talking about storm surge and flood damage. What's the difference here? Remember, like you see here here behind me, you see this water coming in. Say a hurricane comes in and it pushes this water into the houses behind me. That would be considered storm surge. Guess what? Here is a secret to this video. Storm surge is still flood damage. It's just a type of flood damage. So typically, if you have flood insurance, storm surge is going to be covered by that flood insurance policy. Because remember, storm surge is considered to be surface water. When we're talking about water coming in, we're not talking about from the ground up. We're talking about particularly coming in your property. So whether it's rainwater, storm surge, if it's a river or a creek that was to come in your house, all these things should be covered by your flood insurance policy if you have the right policy in place for building coverage and contents coverage. So remember that when you're picking your flood insurance policy, that typically storm surge should be covered. Now, if you're ready to take the next steps of downloading a guide to flood insurance, you can do that by clicking the description of this video. If you're also ready to get flood insurance in place to protect yourself against storm surge, you can also do it by clicking below in 3 simple steps. Get a quote, review the options, finalize your policy. It's that simple. I'm Chris, the Flood Insurance Guru, and I want to say thank you for watching today's video on the difference between storm surge and flood damage. Thank you.